Today, I'm going to teach you how to add files as tab in Microsoft Teams. This feature is incredibly useful because it allows you to pin important documents directly to a channel, making them easily accessible to your entire team without having to search through chat history or file folders. Let's get started by opening Microsoft Teams and logging into your account. Make sure you have your credentials ready, as this is the first step to accessing all the collaborative features Teams has to offer. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the left side of your screen. Here you'll see several options in the navigation panel. Click on Teams. This section is where all your team channels and workspaces are organized, and it's the hub for most of your collaborative work within the platform. Now, you'll need to select the specific channel where you want to add files as a tab. Think carefully about which channel makes the most sense for the document you're adding. For instance, if you're working on a project proposal, you might want to add it to your project planning channel so everyone involved has instant access to it. After selecting your channel, look toward the top of the screen where you'll notice a row of existing tabs. To the right of these tabs, you'll see a plus icon. Click on this plus icon, and from the menu that appears, click on Apps. This opens up the app library where you can choose from various integrations and file types to add to your channel. In the search bar that appears, type in the name of the specific file type you want to add. For example, if you're looking to add a Word document, simply type Word into the search field. This will filter the available options and show you the relevant applications. Once you see the Word app in the results, go ahead and click on it. This action will prompt Teams to show you the available Word documents that you can pin as a tab in your channel. You'll see a list of files stored in your Teams environment or connected cloud storage. Now comes the selection part. Browse through the list and select the file you want to pin as a tab. After you've made your selection, click Save. This confirms your choice and adds the document as a permanent tab at the top of your channel, making it accessible to all members with just one click. And that's it. You've successfully added a file as a tab in Microsoft Teams, creating a more organized and efficient workspace for your team. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.